So start of the final group stage match day. It's underway between Vikings and Gold Diggers. White for Vikings, black for Gold Diggers. Rugved. Nishant wins the ball. There's that fine tackle by Rugved. Lunges the ball forward and tries an attempt. It's saved by Arya. I don't think Arya had a final touch. It hits the post and then goes out. Vedant Bukke, clever pass. Daksh to Nishant Kare. Nishant Kare, his pass has been useful for Vedant Bukke with the dribble. But the final touch was very heavy. Corner kick. Sets it up for Rohit Kanitkar, who tries. Vedant Chowgule rushes forward. There's Varad. On the other side, he has an availability of a support. Arya will put a stop to it. Vedant Chowgule. Collected by Arya. Rugved. A pass for Varad. And a return pass for Rugved. Played on the line. Rugved, nice touches, Daksh. And he swings it toward Nishant Kare, who might score it through the legs, and it's a goal. There was a half nutmeg conceded by Krishna. Gold Diggers fired the first one. This is Nishant Kare who scored this goal. 1-0. Restart for Vikings. Nishant Kare. Rugved, a ball forward. Vedant Bukke returns the ball towards Nishant Kare. Kare still moving forward. Cross blocked. Amay Patil. Nice tackle by Rohit Kanitkar. Nishant. Still Nishant Kare, well done by Rugved. Vedant Chowgule. Through the gap for Vedant Chowgule. And this is in play. Not anymore. Corner kick has been given. Corner kick played behind for a Duma. That was a good touch by Amay Patil as well. This will be a goalkeeper's throw. Rohit. That was loose. And well done by Daksh. And this is going inside. Daksh, brilliant finish. The pass was very important. I've said this before, I'll say it again. Gold Diggers, the way they find these assists should be a center start. These assists are much more enjoyable than the finishes, and that makes the goal all the more complete. Varad. Long ball. This is Vedant Bukke halting the ball, putting it out. Rugved. A gap. Varad Dumar fires. This is hit the two posts. Saved. Rugved fires, not very well struck. So lucky for Gold Diggers to not have this one going inside. I mean, 2 posts and then the ball comes out. Even the rebound is saved by Arya. Very ridiculous. Tackle by Varad. Final touch of Vedant Bukke. Slow pass. Not on target. Tossed away. Varad, it's already out. Nishant. Rohit. And this was well read by Vedant Chaugule. Vedant Bukke. Krishna. And this is taken by Nishant Kare, who got a good read. Nishant Kare has missed. Very close. That was a nice try, but it's not on target. Nicely done chop, but the finish was lacking. Goalkeeper's throw is done. Play shall resume. Just a technical timeout by the referees. Rugwed. It's blocked by Baride. Daksh. Daksh tries a toe poke. Krishna. He'll stop this one. The throw can be much better. Baride. Vedant Bukke. And that is going to be a foul, it looks like. Nishant Kare, well done chop, but this doesn't end well. It does go towards Vedant Bukke though. Shrish. Amar Patil. Vedant Chaugule. The inside ball is blocked by Shrish. Played at the back for Rugwed. This is a loose ball by Rugwed. Chance for Shrish. Pass for Baride is not very well struck. Missed the footing on the ball. Baride. Amar Patil. Amar Patil. It's put out by Nishant Kare. Flicked ball. Nishant Kare. It's well done by Rugwed. Just slides so that Nishant Kare cannot get another aerial nudge. Chaugule. Baride, it's up in the air. Krishna, this time it's better off a pass. Varad tries to fire off target. Shrish. Zoned away by Dhruv Shah. Baride. Good of him to approach the ball. And Vedant Chaugule puts it out. All the way back to Arya. Nicely timed tackle by Chaugule. Nishant Kade from above and beyond. That was a nice try. It's just not that well struck as Baride wished. Wanted to use the laces. Goalkeeper's throw is done. Dhruv Shah, where was he passing the ball? And that one from Shrish will go out. Nicely done. Lot of running to be done. Vedant Bukke, long range pass. This is good, Shrish. Well taken snatch. Baride sets it up. Shrish. It's gonna hit the post. I mean, the goal was open. Could have finished it on the near post. Shrish. Missed opportunity from that man. Very generous of Baride to get the ball towards Shrish. Varat. Dhruv Shah. Backward pass. Chaugule. Great pass delivery. Amar Patil. Put out by Vedant Bukke. Pass played to Chaugule. Nicely done by Arya. Well done tackle by Baride. He tries to drag the ball back, but that move, it was incomplete. Dhruv Shah. Great pass. Amar Patil. It's saved by Arya. Nicely done by the goalkeeper of Goal Diggers. Corner kick. Dhruv Shah. Varat, nice touch. Drags it back. Arya puts height on this long pass. It's out. So just 2 goals up, Goal Diggers. Baride. Dhruv Shah. Intercepting touch. The stretch doesn't work and Vedant Chaugule gets it out. I'm not sure about this call. Sameep charging forward and Sameep applies immense pressure up top, but Dhruv Shah waits. Foul. Dhruv Shah. Shrish instantly grabs the ball, plays a pass. Sameep, chance to score. It's inside. Nothing could have been done. Bharat Dhumar tries to put a left foot, but the pace on the ball, it was far too much. Even with a touch, it still continues to go inside. 3 goals. Goal scorer Sameep. 3-0. Varad. And well taken by Samip. A great read. Amar Patil. But they pokes it out. Samip with a touch. Amar Patil. Is there enough room to swing the ball inside? Shrish. And Shrish has toppled down. Very good approach, Shrish. Barely utters a word. Nice ball inside Shrish. A mistake. Turning his back on the ball. Right in front of the goal, that even. Nice ball. Rugwed. And this is going inside. Own goal. Baride. Not the best of touches. But this is disappointing. Atharva Baride. He has fired in his own goal. So first goal claimed. A huge credit to Rugwed for trying to get that ball swooped in. Samip. Great pass, Shrish. Vedant Bukke, great delivery on the retreat. Blocked by Samip. There was a drag back upon Samip, so he couldn't accelerate. It was contact illegal enough to have the whistle going up in the air. Free kick. And that is practically from the direct free kick spot nearly. Sanket Bandal steps in. Directed, saved by Krishna. Baride. Sanket, put out by Rugwed. There's a repelling effect on the ball from Vikings' end. Sanket. Varad, it's out. Excessive acceleration underway. And Varad Dumar wins the ball. It's saved by Arya. I mean, he attempted a chop to try and beat Arya, but he just falls down on the ground, stretches, and it's successful. Amazing pass. Side kick. Put out by Arya. Another side kick for the taking. Sanket. Amar Patil makes no mistake there. Vedant Bukke, blocked by Vedant Chaugule. Vedant Bukke moves the ball to the left. That is a great pass, Sanket. His shot was blocked, halfway blocked by the goalkeeper and halfway blocked by the goal post. Rugwed. And this is taken as a read by Sameep. He's been reading right. Pass for Sanket. But it was not for Sanket. Amar Patel, unfortunate ball control there. Krishna. Foul from the back. Bharat. This may have been a mistake. Sameep with a pass, Sanket. Too much time taken to finish. And that gives enough time for Krishna to react. So this one is prevented. Vedant Bouquet, super pass. Sameep. And that is going to be inside. Goal. And he'll instantly substitute out. That's one way to step out of the field. Job done. Mission accomplished. Fourth goal inside. And Vedant Bouquet, superb delivery on the assist. I mean, I cannot comprehend how much impact he makes. Blocked by Sanket. Looks like Rugwed is injured. And he's hurt on his outer side of the knee, if I'm not wrong. Hopefully he's able to play full of this game. His team really needs him. We'll take a pause now. The game shall resume now. Rugwed is back on his feet, which means this game can be played further by that man, Amar Patil. And this is Vedant Bouquet getting a good timing on the interception. And he also tries to fire a shot. It's flying wide, but only inches away from the bottom corner. It's a goalkeeper's throw still. Chogule. Amar Patil, nicely done chop. The pass on the inside, it didn't happen. Paride, standing in his way. We are approaching the final moments of the first half very soon. This is a nice try, blocked by Shrish. Dhruv Rane. Rugwed, is the delivery too much? Even if there is a player getting a swoop in on the ball with this much power, it's still effective enough. But there was nothing to time that from the other end. Nishant Kare. Shrish. That was a nice try to find a gap. Goal diggers on the hunt for the next goal. Up in the air. Nishant. Blocked by Amar Patil. Flick at the back. Vedant Bouquet. Shrish. Oh, that is well done. I mean, this move could have been it. Krishna, he's hurt. Hurt in the chest and the stomach, is he, Krishna? Difficulty breathing. Oh, this is not a very pleasant sight, honestly. But we'll move the camera away. So for the time being, the goal score is 5-1 if I'm not wrong. I do remember Sameep scoring one, and then there was that touch by Vedant Bukke, which delivered that assist. So this also means substitution for Krishna, and the step in, it comes from Dhruv Rane. Amar Patil, put out by Paride. Dhruv Rane. Final touch coming from Paride. Varad on the line. This time Goal Diggers take the side kick. Shrish. Nice pass. Vedant Bukke. And Vedant Bukke misses. Varad kind of cornered. Through the gap for Shrish. And Shrish is gonna hit the post, and then it goes out, flies wide. Nishant Kade, superb ball. Vedant Bukke. It's hit Dhruv Rane, his legs. Nicely given ball by Nishant Kade. Exquisitely pleasing. Shrish unleashes one at the turn itself. Corner kick. Man, look at the stature of Goal Diggers. They can shoot from anywhere. They have been hindered with that goal post. Cleared by Rugved. Nishant keeps finding these gaps, and some of these gaps are just so good that even his teammates, they're not able to realize how epic of a ball this can be. There's going to be that 1 minute timeout. 5-1 if I'm not wrong, perhaps 4-1. Either way, Goal Diggers in lead. They have a good gap on the goal score sheet. We'll be back after the minute's break. A minute's time flies so quickly. There's that restart. Paride with the snatch. Nishant Kade. Oh, nice nutmeg. Shrish. And he uses Nishant as a wall. This is saved by Dhruv Rane. And that is the end of first half. So there were just about 10 seconds left to play. But an enormous task awaits in the second half for Vikings to pull off a comeback. We'll be back after a break.